alternative basic. So alternative basic in essence is exactly the same as a basic rumba. The only difference is that leaders, instead of going forward on count 2 and replace 3, we're gonna close our feet and lead our partner back, but not too far. 2. So that's the only difference, that count 2. And 2, change weight, 30, and we change forward. Let's take a look from a different angle on this step. So alternative basic, and 2, 30, forward. Where the normal regular basic, we both gonna take this rocking action and steps. So here the difference is the man closing feet, 2, and then changing weight, 30, and we're going to the side forward. Leader's step, so close look. So we start on the high position here, as always. Now we ground our body from muscle to bone through the shoulder into the hip, count, and now we close our feet, count 2, change weight, and 30, and we're going to the side forward. So we take a look at the step closely. So what we do, we close our feet, we change body weight to the left leg, change body weight to the right, and we're going to the side. From here, you can do a normal basic, this rocking action, 2, 30, 4, 1, and do exactly the same again. Close your feet, count 2, change weight, count 30, and step to the side, forward. Now, for followers, we have exactly the same step as a basic step, so only leaders have different. So followers stepping back on count 2, replace on count 3, stepping side on count 4, 1. So let's take a look at from this angle. So the follower step, we're stepping back 2, we replace forward 3, and we're going to the side on 4, 1. Now, as always, helpful tips, how we dance. Always start your priorities from down and up. So number 1, feet. So remember, anytime we dance, we want to have a natural turnout in the feet. We don't want to have too much balletic weight, but we don't want to have turned in feet as well. So natural turnout, and as we, for example, as we stepping to the side, we maintain that natural turnout. As we close our feet, we maintain natural turnout. Maintain natural turnout. As we're stepping back or to the side, natural turnout. Stepping back, our feet natural turnout. The next tip is, as we dance, you want to have a certain degree of pressure to the floor from the feet. That's why you need to have a dance shoes so your feet can slide. Then of course you're gonna ruin your shoes a little bit. You can buy new ones, but that's the whole idea. When your feet have a contact to the floor, you're gonna have a little bit more smoothness, a little bit more groundness to your action. So the contact to the floor. Next tip for the rumba specifically, it's having a straight knee as we arrive. So let's say we close our feet with straight knee as we arrive, then transfer weight, straight knee, then we arrive. The next one is to do a Cuban motion. It's from your shoulder into the hip. We're gonna compress at the end of the step, not at the beginning. So we arrive always very high, picked up position, and then we melt, shoulder to hip to the heel, and. So this is our and. We can do another one, and. So we can step to the side, we have and, we step back, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and closing feet, 2, and 3, and 4, 1.